okay. So who's gonna seek first?
You. I'm gonna be who I always am, for obvious reason.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna be sad and alone and under a staircase like a weirdo and a loser.
Yeah, there's some new areas that I intend to take advantage of. I've done some scoping.
Whoa, is that a place?
Hama, go somewhere else.
Gregory, how the fuck did you get up there? Guys?
Okay, be back now.
Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, James.
What the fuck? Hold on, I need to show you the...
Scared. I'm really, really scared.
I need to show you, if you go up here, and then click, similar, you have to click on it.
I can't wait for you guys to see my hiding spot. This is so funny.
Shiba, you better not still be in here. Hold on, no, I need to do this. We need to do this. I'll just follow you around. Like a dog.
I'm like really, really scared.
Genuinely, you will.
I'm gonna cry if it's like Bucky's Bar smiling about.
Hey, dude. Why would they add that? Yeah, okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Now, if I was Kira, Margaret, Rose McQuain, who would you rather kill? What? Which one's Watari again? I'm looking... I like Mikawa, so... Why was that there? What's going on? It's a Christmas miracle.
Oh.
Let's just say you might walk past me a million times.
Oh! Oh my god!
Hey, dude.
I need to get that on right now, dude.
What's up, you?
I'm trying to get up there, but it's like really hard for some reason.
Okay, I guess I'll seek now. Friggin' fucking. I'm gonna close my eyes and pick someone. Oh no.
You.
Yeah.
Yeah. I swear I've walked past you a million times. Mamma mia.
I haven't explored the whole map, so there's a chance of something I missed. There's a sword? I wish I could pick up the gun in the vents. Why is there a gun in the vents, by the way?
What? I thought you were kidding! What do you mean there's a gun in the vents?
Why did she have it? Sometimes I forget Chiba's like actually 17 and not 5.
Me too.
Okay, so you guys are both
I
good?
think I know what your spot is, Jin, and I think that's really funny.
I'm seeking now.
I saw you like walk. I could see you moving around, yeah!
What's up, dude? Okay, I had to check the lockers. Damn it.
Did you see it? Hey!
Hi. Hey, man. Hey, man.
It would be infinitely funnier than my actual spot.
Hey, man.
I was hiding
so
over here
you saw
behind the
Jin.
house, and I thought it would be way funnier if I got up there.
That's where I hid the first time.
Ah.
So if I was... Okay, yeah, now I
Hello.
think I know where Jin is, probably.
You inadvertently ratted yourself out.
Button. Oh, wait, I see you. Hi, Arata.
Somehow be inside,
Did you get in
like,
between there? I saw you, I just couldn't get in there. What does this button do? Do you have any idea? What is this button a reference to? Okay, now Kiergan seek.
What did you say? You're snarking, no!
I have a fucking epic spot. You're just tree Hama in the plant. He's camouflaged.
I've tried 2 million times!
He's camouflaged. Would you believe me if I said I genuinely didn't mean to say that? That would be funny. Just me and Kiergan.
That's us.
Is what happened, yeah. Okay, yeah, now I exist.
The me and Kiergan podcast.
I guess
Are you
in the
guys both
videos,
done your
I'll
hiding
just...
spots? Also, chat, are you guys both done in your hiding spots?
Yes!
It's been done for a while.
Okay.
You just
Okay,
been
I'm sorry.
standing.
What the fuck? Doctor, help? What is this?
Doctor, help?
Oh, I'm Den.
Hi,
Oh, that
Den.
funny thing, Den. There's like a weird cube on the wall in one of the locker rooms, and it turned me into Den.
Oh,
Like,
cool.
just end it?
No, just Den, but with like Christmas lights wrapped around her.
Oh.
Well, that's funny.
I do think my spot's kind of mean.
You not? Yeah, mine's mean too. You wanna know what room I'm in?
I can't say what
Okay.
room I'm in.
I'm in the trial room.
There's like nowhere to hide in there though, it's just a circle.
Yep, I'm banking on Kiergan not knowing how to get there.
Yeah, and that's probably gonna work.
So far it is working.
I'm not really in a room. I guess you could say I'm in
I'm
the
gonna
halls.
dedicate myself to finding the trial room.
Okay, cool. So you're just targeting me.
Wait a second.
Oh, uh-oh.
Gulp.
I may have got
Wait
a
a
little
second.
cocky.
I don't know if that's a gulp for me or a gulp for you.
Got a little cocky! I was on the staircase.
Yeah, I want to show you like the fucking cube. By the way,
The cube, the dead
it's just like this weird cube here, and it's like, help, doctor, help! And if you like click on it, you become Den.
Aw, it's cute. I'm gonna wear this.
Yes, look for the cube and not the trial room. I'm
I know where it
imagining Jin if... Yeah, I was gonna say, imagine if Jin's looking, they're probably gonna know where it is. Oh, whoa.
Where is the? Do you know where the trial room is?
It's got a very funny angle. If you angle it downwards, it looks funny.
Just in general.
Yeah.
I'll let Kieran keep searching for the trial room for now, but if it gets to a point where it's just stupid, I'll let him know.
I am a little bit stupid, so it will probably get to that point very fast.
Just think about
I'll give you a hint. You have to
we're
click
standing
on
very
something.
close to it right now.
Yeah, I'm assuming it's this one, but I don't know how to fucking.
Unequip
You have to
the
click on
speed coil.
So, I've been expecting you.
You. I'm killing you. I'm
Mastermind
killing you. I'm
coming
strangling you.
you.
I'm becoming Ty, and I'm wrapping around your neck.
Oh, watch this. Gamer, I'm gaming, I'm gaming, I'm
What?
gaming, I'm
What do you
gaming, I'm
mean?
gaming out of my mind.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm gaming, I'm a gamer.
Where? Where'd you go?
Dude, I game so hard.
What?
I'm gonna
But
find
yeah,
that
I
dead
was-
end cube.
I was on the stairs, and I just got bored and started moving around, and I didn't realize Kieran was right at the bottom of the stairs as I did that, so I moved right in the view. I just got too cocky, that's the only reason I lost that.
No, I think I didn't even see you at first. I was just like, wait, can I fit in here? And then when I said, wait a second, I heard you go, oh no, and then I knew you were
Oh, I thought
probably
you
up the
just saw
stairs.
me! I thought it was just over!
Wait,
No, I
heard them
I
go
didn't
what?
even see you at first.
you heard them go what? Heard them go what?
Actually, I said, uh-oh.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you went over here and you're like, wait a second, cause you- oh.
Cause you, oh, no.
I'm in jail.
Shut up.
You're in jail? Oh,
Yeah. Help,
I'm also in jail.
help.
Oh, you, oh wow.
Bad jail. We are in the cool
You're in
jail where we
super
can get
jail.
out.
How did this happen to me?
Doc, don't worry,
I'm okay.
fuck.
Doctor, help!
Dr. L.
Oh.
Why don't they just do this? Why haven't they done this yet? Why hasn't Hirose done this canonically?
Well,
I'm
in
just
the
straight up now.
they don't have
Oh, I
stairs
thought
in the
you cannot get
blue
out.
building.
Well, why doesn't Hirose go to the pink building then?
He can't. But why
Why doesn't he
Hirose
just leave?
specifically?
I'm gonna go chat. Bye bye.
Why doesn't Hirose just leave?
I
Oh.
hmm.
Bye.